Hey, it's Gina with WTI. As a content creator, I am constantly having to deal with bad or low lighting situations when I need to film. And I've started using this 120 LED selfie light from SHGUMITE. I've been really pleased with how it has helped to illuminate these areas that I really need that extra bit of light so I can get exactly the shot that I need. I found that I use the clip portion of it the most frequently. I do a lot of shooting in landscape, so I find that the clip is really helpful, not just for putting on the phone itself, but also for attaching to hooks or different areas where I can't fit a larger light, even in places underneath things when I'm trying to get that really close-up shot of something. This has been very helpful. I love that it has different settings for lights, either bright white all the way to a really warm color. You can choose anywhere in between. And it, of course, has different brightness. So you can go low, bright, whatever it is that you need for that particular shot. This is also great because it's rechargeable. I hate having to replace batteries and things, and this just makes it so convenient to be able to charge it whenever I need to. I film with an iPhone 14. This fits perfectly onto it. I'm using my phone to film this, so I had to show you what it looks like with an older model iPhone, but this would fit most standard phones. I do hours of filming every single week for content, and I found this little tool to be so helpful for getting just the right brightness. And that's my point of view.